Hello everyone, in this video we'll edit the pie charts individual parts, give them a color, and I'll also show you how to give a nice 3D effect by using simple Adobe Illustrator tools for the first part. So let's get started. First we'll right click on the graph and select type, open the graph type menu and then select legend in wedges option and click OK. Next, for some nice editing, we'll first enable the appearance window by going to the window and then select appearance. Next, we'll select the whole graph by selecting the move tool from the toolbar and making a rectangle around the graph to select the whole thing. And then we'll ungroup the individual elements by using the keyboard shortcut. This will make the graph unlinked to the data, but that's fine as we have already typed the complete data. Next, we'll select the direct selection tool, which is located beside the move tool, and select the largest wedge of the pie chart first to edit its colors, and then select the appearance tab in the window on the right hand side of our workspace. Next, we'll disable the stroke of this wedge to remove the black outline. Now we'll take a mouse to the fill option and select the color of the fill while pressing the shift for a detailed color selection. Here I have used a specific shade of peach, with the specific red, green and blue numbers of 255, 223 and 153 respectively. This will be the top color for this wedge. Next, we'll add a transformation effect to this fill, making the base of this wedge to be 3D. For that, we'll go to Effect and then Distort and Transform, and then select Transform, and we will set the value to the vertical movement as -15. Next, in the Appearance panel, we'll click the New Fill option. Now we'll take our mouse again to the Fill option and select the color of the fill while again pressing the Shift key for a detailed color selection. I'll use now a darker shade of the color I used before. Next, I'll go to the Effect and then to Distort, Transform and Option, again selecting Transform. This time I'll change the vertical move to just -1 and then make multiple copies of this transformation by setting copies to 15 and give it a darker background shade, giving it a 3D effect. Now I'll drag the second darker fill layer we created below the first one, giving it the 3D look we were aiming for. Now, one by one, I'll select each wedge and give it a color of my choice by adding a new fill layer from the Appearance panel and then selecting the color of my choice. Here you can choose either from the given choice of colors, or you can click the swatches option, opening the drop down menu that has multiple preset color combinations, and you can select any of them and then select the colors from them. Lastly, I'll finalize this part of the video by disabling the stroke option to remove the black outline from each wedge. This completes the second step of this class. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next part. Till then, take care and enjoy.